Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to discuss about trachoma. Trachoma is also known as Egyptian ophthalmia. Most common cause is chlamydia trachomatis. Its serotype which transmit trachoma is A, B, A, and C. And the serotype which transmit ophthalmia neonatorum of trachoma of chlamydia is D2K. It is transmitted by finger for mites, flies, etc. This was the question in last NEET exam. The FISTO classification. FISTO classification consists of FISTO. F is follicle, I is intense inflammation, S is scarring, T is trichiasis, and O is opacity. Now we will discuss one by one. Follicle stage is lymphoid hyperplasia. There is appearance of sago, boiled sago grain appearance. If sago grain appear at bulbar conjunctiva, it is called Herbert's follicle, and it is pathognomic of trachoma. Histopathological examination: multinuclear giant cell present, that called Leber cells, and cytoplasmic inclusion body is also present. In trachoma infection, there is always cytoplasmic inclusion bodies are present, blue in color. This is called HP bodies or Heber-Stedder's Prowazaki bodies. The diagnostic, as we are seeing, this is pathognomic, so this sago green appearance, these follicles when more than 5 in number and more than 0.5 mm in size on bulbar or palpebral conjunctiva, it is significant. Second is intense inflammation. There is papilla formation, papillary hyperplasia, and intense inflammation, scarring on palpebral conjunctiva of upper lid. This is also a pathognomic feature of trachoma. Palpebral conjunctiva upper lid. There is Arlet's line due to scarring. And there is Pannis form. Pannis is cellular infiltration plus intense inflammation due to vascularization, increased vascularization. Due to scarring, there is cicatricial eutropion occur. Eutropion due to scarring leads to inward movement of eyelid. Leads to misdirection of lashes. This is trichiasis. Trichiasis, misdirected lashes. This misdirected lashes cause corneal ulcer and further leads to corneal opacity. Most common infectious cause of blindness in India or worldwide is trachoma. Treatment of trachoma, this is SAFE strategy. SAFE is surgery, A is antibiotic, F is facial wash, and E is environment. Surgery. Second is antibiotic. Azithromycin is a drug of choice. 1 gram stat for adults and 20 milligram per kg per day in 3 divided dose or 2 divided dose or single dose in children. F is facial wash and E is environment. Complication, there is corneal opacity. Thank you so much.